To assemble your casainc 10-inch outdoor gas fire tree, carefully unpack all parts from the box. Inspect the box's contents to make sure you have received everything listed. As you see, this build has a short list. Not included are a Phillips head screwdriver, 1 pound propane tank, petroleum jelly completely optional, and a kitchen lighter or matches. Now that everything is accounted for, we can move on to step 1. Remove all plastic packaging from the fire tree. Make sure the gas control knob is set to the off position. You may want to flip your fire tree upside down or on its side for easy access. Optional, but the instructions recommend applying petroleum jelly to the threads of the regulator before adding the propane tank. Take the cap off your 1 pound propane tank and insert and align the propane tank with the regulator. Be sure to screw it on by hand, rotating clockwise until they fit snugly together. Flip your tree right side up if it is not already. Now it's time to pour your lava rocks into the well of the tree. Be sure to spread them out so that nothing is blocking the pilot box. Your tree may not ignite otherwise. Before use, make sure there is nothing above the fire tree and that it is moved 10 feet away from the closest wall. To turn on, push and twist the control panel counterclockwise to the high position. You may hear the propane escaping now. Next, take a kitchen lighter, and then your tree should catch fire. Use the knob to adjust the flame's height. During the first use, the lava rocks may need to settle, so crackling and popping can occur. For this reason, it's best to leave your tree on for 20 consecutive minutes. To turn off, twist the knob to the off position. The fire may poof as the last of the propane is released. Now you are ready to enjoy your fire tree safely on your deck or balcony. Be sure to follow for more instructional videos.